Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another reaction. I don't know how many of you guys know that there's a country called Gabon in Africa. So today I am reacting for the first time to a song from Gabon. Look at me trying to push African music. No, I saw this artist and I was like, whoa, where are they from? Because they're singing French. I feel like when you sing French and your YouTube account says France, it's hard for people to know that you are from Africa. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, this lady Emma from Gabon. I'm excited for this one. I'm excited for you guys to see this one. It's gonna be in French, but if you don't speak French, enjoy with us. But if you speak French, let us know what the song is all about in the comment section. You know what I mean? So yeah, Emma. What's the name of the song? Let me see if I can. Esha, because the R is not like R in English. But let me know. Am I butchering this already? But yeah, let's see, man. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Let's go. I don't know much about Gabon. How embarrassing is that? Oof, the voice.
Je t'aime trop, ça devient une recette. Sans trop d'efforts, tu m'as fait passer. Et ça devient des fesses. D'envisager un lendemain sans toi. Je perds le nord quand je suis pas dans tes bras. Si c'était à refaire, te choisirais encore. Bébé, dis-moi, entends-tu ce que veut te dire mon cœur? Bébé, dis-moi, seras-tu toujours la cause de mes pleurs? Bébé, dis-moi, ce que ton cœur me dit tout bas. Bébé, dis-moi,
It's like serious Afrobeat.
ce que ton cœur me dit tout bas. Je t'ancrerai dans la peau. Toi seul connais les mots pour m'apaiser au idéal. Je t'ancrerai dans la peau. Toi seul connais les gestes pour m'apaiser au félialo. Oh, détends-toi mon âme. Je te donnerai tout par amour. Quand tu me dis n'aie pas peur mon bébé, c'est ce que je préfère. Ah, détenteur de mes peurs. Toujours là quand je crie au secours. Tes gestes remplis d'amour, mais tu ne le dis pas. Bébé, dis-moi, entends-tu ce que veut te dire mon cœur? Bébé, dis-moi, seras-tu toujours la cause de mes pleurs? Bébé, dis-moi, ce que ton cœur me dit tout bas. Bébé, dis-moi, ce que ton cœur me dit tout bas. Je t'ancrerai dans la peau. Toi seul connais les mots pour m'apaiser au idéal. Je t'ancrerai dans la peau. Toi seul connais les gestes pour m'apaiser au félialo.
This is so cool. I think it's so cool to also discover that, you know, African music is all one Afrobeat. I'm sure there's Amapiano as well over there in Gabon, which is like so crazy to not like think about that. Like Afrobeat and Nigerian sound now adopted as an African sound. Like everybody in the world in different languages, they're singing it from Cape to Cairo. Should actually see if there's any Egyptian artists singing in Afrobeat. That would be cool. The video as well, man. Gabon, I think, is one of the most beautiful countries just from this video. It's crazy.
Avec toi, je me jette à l'eau. Bébé, dis-moi c'est mort. Avec toi, je me jette à l'eau. Bébé, dis-moi c'est mort. Alinguia, bébé. Alinguia, mon bébé.
I think the only thing that I know about Gabon is that guy who played for Arsenal, because I'm an Arsenal fan, Aubameyang, he's from Gabon, right? I think that's the only thing that I know about Gabon, which is like so sad. But from the videos, everything, I love this. Dark-skinned
Moi, t'es
people.
ma bébé. Ah, ma bébé. T'es d'une alignée, mon bébé. Vraiment, moi, t'es ma bébé. Bébé, bébé.
Quality and loyalty business.
Shoo, that's the quality of this video, man. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Merci beaucoup if you watch this. Merci beaucoup. I said thank you so much. If you are here for the first time, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so don't miss any of the uploads on the channel. And let me know if you're from Gabon what the song is all about, and if there's any other song from Gabon that you think I should check out with the same vibe. You know, like I like that it's more like non-PG stuff going there, because sometimes I think people do too much in the music videos. It's like I cannot watch that. My heart, my faith does not go with that. Okay, but that was a good one. First time watching music from Gabon, I can now finally put that on record. I've listened to a song from Gabon and I loved it. Okay, I'll see you guys on the side.